Good day, so mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng ating biniling bagong riding boots. So this one is from Achilles PH. Ay nakita na natin sila sa Facebook nung naghahanap tayo ng pwedeng bilhan ng riding boots. So itong binili natin is the Emilio model nila, which I think is one of their best seller. So kinuha natin is Emilio nga, matte brown yung color niya. Yung upper niya is full grain leather, and yung outsole niya is rubber. So I got it in size 10. So ito yung box niya. It comes with this nice brown box with Achilles PH boots na branding. So again, support local tayo. So unbox na natin siya. So right off the bat, yung nasa pagbukas nyo yun yung boots niya, we have the thank you card here from Achilles PH boots, and eto na yung ating riding boots. Again, matte brown siya. Amay natin, amay melon. Amay leather. Yeah. So yung toe niya is matigas. Then meron din siyang ankle support, medyo matigas din siya. And maganda yung ilalim niya. Anti-slip, I think anti-slip yung ilalim niya. Then ito yung kanyang laces, okay naman. Then meron siyang zipper para madali lang natin siyang isuot. Ayan. Then may yellow stitching siya, and meron siyang shifter pads dito sa kanyang toe area. So ipopost ko na lang yung kanyang full specs dito sa side. Post mo na lang kung gusto mong basahin. Ito yung side B nya. Ayan. So maganda nya. Hindi rin siya magaan, sakto lang yung weight nya, and matatry natin sa ating one of these days sa ating mga rides. Ayan. So again, ito yung ating riding boots from Achilles PH, and hindi po to sponsored video. I just want to share to you yung ating biniling riding boots. Yeah. So again, thank you and see you around.